Hello, this is Ayako Sekiguchi from Furnace Kitchen. Nasu-Momi is simply eggplant pickled in salt water. Enjoy the original delicious flavor, one of the simplest, most rustic ways to appreciate the natural taste of the ingredient. It's perfect as a palate cleanser, and it's also great as a side dish with rice. You can enjoy it as pickles, and with a twist, it becomes a delicacy. I'll share some arrangements, so please watch until the end. The ingredients for eggplant pickles are eggplant, water, salt, and vinegar. First, let's start with the eggplant. Cut off the stem part. The fresher the eggplant, the more thorns there are on the stem, so please be careful. It depends on the size of the eggplant, but generally speaking, cut it in half lengthwise, then into about 4 to 6 pieces. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. I've cut the eggplant into bite-sized pieces like this. When it comes to eggplant, it's common practice to soak it in water. But even when you do that, it can still turn a little brown. But all of the so-called bitterness in eggplant is actually antioxidants, specifically something called chlorogenic acid. It's a type of polyphenol that's also found in coffee. And in the skin of eggplant, there's something called nasunin. It contains a lot of antioxidants, so I never remove the bitterness. I always eat it as it is. It doesn't impact the result, so I don't soak it. I use it as is. About 2 teaspoons of salt, which is roughly 9 grams, makes it about 3% salt content for 300 cc of water. Add 9 grams of salt and then 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix it well. As long as the salt dissolves, that's fine. You can use a bowl, but this time, I want to use a food storage bag like this to marinate. Put the eggplants into the bag. I want to use minimal liquid to marinate, so I'll seal it tightly. Press the bag gently so that the eggplants are submerged in the salt water, and then seal it. See, you can tell that the eggplants are fully soaked now, right? If you remove the air thoroughly, even a small amount of marinade will work well. The eggplants will be properly marinated, so please close the bag. This dish is called Nasu-Momi, but if you hold the mouth of the bag like this and squeeze it tightly with your hands, air and moisture will come out of the eggplants, making them more like pickles. When the eggplants become soft and tender like this, that's when they're perfectly done. That's really all there is to it. Okay, they've become quite soft and tender now. All right, it's finished now. It's lightly seasoned, so adjust it as you like. I added grated ginger and soy sauce this time. But you can also drizzle a little sesame oil if you like. It will add more flavor and make it even more delicious. I also think it's nice to sprinkle some bonito flakes on top. When storing, make sure to remove the air thoroughly every time you take out some eggplant. Please use within 4 to 5 days when refrigerated. Eggplant itself is a vegetable that's rich in water and low in calories. The purple pigment in the skin is a type of polyphenol called nasunin, which has strong antioxidant properties. It helps prevent aging and lifestyle-related diseases, and is also effective in preventing swelling and lowering blood pressure. It also contains potassium, which helps to relieve hot flashes in the lower body. Please be sure to try the simple yet deeply flavorful pickled eggplant. Please give it a try. I'll taste one for you. Thank you for watching. It's very refreshing, and I've really made some delicious pickles. There are no additives, and I haven't used anything special like pickling boards either. It's really simple, but it's so delicious. When it comes to pickled eggplant, homemade is definitely the best. It's really easy, and I'm confident in this recipe, so please give it a try. Of course, you can enjoy it just as it is. But I'll also show you a simple variation. You'll need some pickled eggplant, canned tuna, and shiso leaves. Since it already has a light flavor, just add as much tuna as you like. Next, add chopped shiso leaves. Gently mix them, and your eggplant, salted shiso, and tuna salad is ready. It's a classic combo that's always good, but you can get protein from it. And it's a side dish with good nutritional balance. Next, we're going to make an eggplant and salted poke bowl. Please prepare some sashimi as you like. This time, I'd like to make it with tuna. Now, let's cut the salted eggplant into bite-sized pieces. Do the same with the sashimi, making them about the same size. It doesn't have to be perfect, just roughly is fine. Around here, I'll also add a little grated ginger. Around here, it's fine to adjust to your liking. Just a little sesame oil. Just a little. After that, just mix it all together. Chop it up as you like. You can add green onions or myoga ginger if you want. Put it on top of the rice and finish with some white sesame seeds. The eggplant, pickled cucumber, and sashimi poke bowl is ready. This time, I introduced a simple way to eat eggplant and the convenient pickled eggplant for storage. Preparing a large batch ahead is convenient and ready for immediate use. It's perfectly fine to use it in regular stir fries and other dishes. Please enjoy the refreshing and delicious pickles. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.